Hello friends! For this dessert we will need 25 pieces of a sweet fingers of cookies. Cut the cookies lengthwise and diagonally, as I do in the video. Dip each half of the cookie in milk. For this we will need 3/4 cup milk. This impregnation will make your dessert as tender as possible. This dessert is very quick to prepare, incredibly tender and delicious. And most importantly, you don't need to bake anything. After we have finished laying out one row of cookies, let's start preparing the cream. For this we will need 3 cups of milk. But first let's add some milk. 1 tablespoon of vanilla sugar, 3/4 cup sugar, 4 tablespoons of flour, 5 tablespoons cornstarch. Mix all the ingredients well until smooth, with no lumps. After mixing well, add the remaining milk. Mix well again and place over medium heat. Cook until thickened, stirring constantly. After the mass begins to thicken slightly, reduce the heat so that it does not burn, and add 3.5 ounces of white chocolate. Stir thoroughly until the chocolate is completely melted. Our chocolate has melted well. Now you can add 3 tablespoons of coconut flakes. Mix well and cook for about 3 more minutes. Don't forget to always stir. This is the consistency you should get. Remove from heat and pour half of the hot custard over the first row of cookies. Spread the cream evenly and sprinkle with nuts and coconut flakes. We spread another row of cookies. Spread the rest of the custard. After the cream is well smoothed, sprinkle with coconut flakes. We put our cake in the refrigerator, at least for a couple of hours. Here is our wonderful dessert ready. We decorate it with nuts and raspberries. If you like the dessert, like it, and subscribe so you don't miss many more interesting and delicious no-bake desserts. Oh, this looks so pretty and delicious. Be sure to prepare such a delicious and simple dessert. You will definitely like it. Enjoy your meal. Thank you for watching the video to the end. See you in the next video.